Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to add Remind Me bot on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your Reddit account, and here I can show you that I already have a Remind Me bot, Remind Me feature on Reddit, and you also have it. So all you need to do is just find the photo you want to remind you, press on comments, and here just write remind me, and you need to write time, for example 2 minutes. You can also write 2 days, 2 hours, and it will automatically remind you. So I will write minutes just for video, and you need to press comment. So once you've done that, it will remind you after a short period of time. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.